Are you tired of having anxious and sleepless nights? Well, this video is for you. In this video, I talk about a secret ingredient which has miraculous medicinal properties which will make you sleep like a baby. So, watch this video till the end. It's time to embrace the miracle of a secret ingredient, which is nutmeg. Nutmeg or jaifal has incredible medicinal properties that we hardly talk about. That's why today I am acquainting you with the benefits of nutmeg that range from stress control to weight loss. Since time immemorial, our great-grandmothers have been using various spices in the kitchen for their medicinal properties. Many such spices have vanished from our kitchen shelves today. One of them is a warm spice called nutmeg or jaifal. The spicy nut, mainly known for its sweet aroma, has been used since ages for flavoring culinary dishes and desserts. In addition to its aromatic properties, nutmeg has immense potential therapeutic applications. In today's fast-paced corporate culture, multitasking and stress have become the leading factors for anxiety and sleepless nights. To combat this situation, I am sure most of you give in to various expensive and tasteless solutions. But what if I tell you there is a much cheaper and tastier aromatic alternative? Nutmeg has sleep-inducing and de-stressing effects. Its essential oils have nerve-soothing properties which can take away anxiety and de-stress the body completely. Well, that's just one reason you need to get this incredible spice back onto your kitchen shelves. It comes packed with numerous other benefits which we will discuss in this video. These propel you to get the spice right away. Nutmeg as a stress buster and an antidepressant. The chemicals in nutmeg help the body release happy hormones which in turn relax and de-stress the body and uplift the mood. Nutmeg is an effective ingredient for treating depression and anxiety. Nutmeg also helps with chronic pain relief. It's a known fact that pain is a result of inflammation or swelling. The essential oils in nutmeg have anti-inflammatory properties that help in reducing inflammation in any muscle or joint, thereby reducing pain in the affected areas. Nutmeg is also a potent detoxifier. Nutmeg's antibacterial and antimicrobial properties make it a super detoxifying agent. Bad breath is a common result of accumulated toxins in the body. By eliminating toxins, essential oils in nutmeg help in treating bad breath. Nutmeg also helps in digestion. The carminative effect of essential oils in nutmeg make them digestive in nature. They help in secretion of digestive enzymes which help in relieving various digestive issues like diarrhea, constipation, bloating, and even gas. Nutmeg helps in blood pressure control. The numerous minerals in nutmeg like potassium, iron, and manganese are known for regulating blood pressure. In addition, due to its de-stressing properties, nutmeg eases off pressure from blood vessels and helps the heart work efficiently. Nutmeg also helps in hair growth. One of the reasons for hair loss is clogged scalp and dandruff. The antimicrobial properties of nutmeg helps in keeping the scalp clean and prevents dandruff thereby preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. Nutmeg also supports in weight loss. By helping the body remove toxins and enhancing its digestive capabilities, nutmeg directly helps in boosting the body's metabolism, which is a primary factor that aids in weight loss. But remember, excess of everything is bad. Despite the numerous benefits that nutmeg has to offer, it should be consumed in little quantities. A tiny pinch a day of nutmeg is enough. Excessive consumption of nutmeg can cause toxicity and lead to nausea and vomiting, and even altered brain activities like hallucinations. Here are some ways of incorporating nutmeg in your food. Add a pinch of nutmeg to a cup of warm milk before your bedtime. Add a pinch of nutmeg powder in custards, pies, and even cakes and muffins. Add a pinch of grated whole nutmeg in homemade soups and stews. Add a pinch of nutmeg powder to your non-veg curries. To calm your anxious mind and to induce proper sleep, take a tiny pinch of nutmeg powder in a warm cup of milk at night right before your bedtime and see the magic happen. If you have found this video useful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, cause this is where I bring to you natural tips related to your health and wellness concerns. Until my next video, thank you and namaste.